week's Precious Metals Market Update. I'm excited. This weekend we'll be in Rogers, Arkansas with Follow the Money's conference. Looking forward to seeing everyone and I talk to on the phone that'll be there. We're just a day or two away here, so hope for that. What I've got the most letters about has been two things. One, silver and the different kinds, and two, the storage program we have. How can a company like me have the lowest storage rates in the world, including ETFs? Remember, if you bought from a stockbroker an electronically traded fund, an ETF, that was holding gold, the storage rate would be 50 basis points. It's right in the prospectus. And even though the gold's not always there because sometimes it's leveraged depending on which ETF it is and how it's set up, you still pay 50 basis points. That's 0.5% a year. How can a company like me come in and give you lower rates where you can have your own ETF, have your own physical gold and silver, platinum, palladium, held in your own account, and at a much lower rate than they have? It's so low, I'm not allowed to mention it. But what we can say is, if you don't want to hold your gold and silver, platinum, palladium, you can, if it's $10,000 or more of a new order, we can send it to that depository and they will send you a certificate. When you're ready to sell it, all you have to do is sign it. You don't have to pick it up and mail it somewhere. It's already at the warehouse. So you then just sign it and transfer it to the wholesaler we tell you, and then a few days later you get your check, or if you speed things up, your wire that you do have to pay for. So it's very important where it is right now in this world that you get the physical metal that you know you have in your own account, not in an ETF, not leveraged, but in your account. And if you're not a customer of ours, you can become a customer for a $10,000 or more purchase and get this low rate. If you're interested in the brochure, we can send it to you by email and have you read it. There's two brochures we would send you, a brochure on the warehouse itself, and then on the deal that we have with the warehouse, we would email it to you. So you can contact us at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812, and we can send you the email brochures. Now, the next question that always comes up is, well, what if I'm storing somewhere else and I'm paying 100 basis points, 1% a year, 1.5% a year, and you're going to be way below 50 basis points? How do I transfer into your account? You can transfer if you open an account with us at 10,000 or more. Then anything you have anywhere else, we'll work with you to get it transferred to your account with us, and your costs are going to go down substantially. I mean substantially. 50, 60, 70, 80% on storage, and you'll still be in a COMEX warehouse, one of the top in the world, highest insurance in the world. So if you've got money already with someone else in storage, call us, buy something, and transfer all of your accounts to us. Our commissions are lower, our back-end fees are nothing. The only company I know in the country, and then the lowest storage rates in the world, So if you're not familiar with this program we have, call us at 800-247-2812. The same thing if you're looking for a self-directed precious metals IRA, we can be your agent, we can be your broker, but we cannot be your custodian. But we'll help you get a custodian and get you a precious metals self-directed IRA set up. A lot of people rolling 401ks out and turn them into two self-directed IRAs, one for stocks and bonds and one for precious metals. So we can walk you through and do that. Last question about silver is, if you're a pure investor, you've already got 1 ounce coins for barter, then I believe 100-ounce bars give you the lowest break-even point where you're buying and selling what you pay above spot and what you get above spot is the lowest in the 100-ounce silver bars, particularly Royal Canadian Mint, Engelhard, and Johnson Matthey. Now, certainly we've got some incredible 1-ounce coin deals on this year in Philharmonics, Australian Kangaroos. We've had some Canadian Maple Leaf deals, but you're still paying because you've got 100 1-ounce products instead of one 100-ounce, the premium's going to be higher. So, but if you're buying strictly for storage, putting a part of your assets in silver and waiting on what I think will be the biggest move in the metals market in the next few years, then buy the 100-ounce bars. But we're happy to go over that with you. And once again, you can reach us at 800-247-2812. You can talk to Dan or myself, and we'll be happy to go through all of it with you. But we're moving into, we think things are changing. No, the trade wars, no, the huge deficits in the U.S., no, the potential of war in Iran and Iraq, again, and what's going on in North Korea, testing missiles again. All these things are positive to go, but watch the potential major bank failing in the next month or two that could turn equity markets upside down. So get your questions answered, give us a call, and for the ones of you that'll be in Arkansas this weekend, I look forward to seeing you. With this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing in.